Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Funtime, back with another video on the Demolition series, Lab, episode 2. And this is what I've built so far. It's pretty tall. And I'm getting ready to knock it down. So I thought you guys would like to see that in slow motion and things. So let's get right into it. So the first blaster I put in, I've only put in two this time. But one of them is right here. Don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. And the other one is just down in here. So get prepared for an epic slow motion bang. Should we arm it? 'Cause I'm ready to arm it. So let's do it. Guys, that one was quite interesting actually, because as you can see here, these were the only detonators I used, and it hasn't actually torn down everything. I'll bring it to you and show you. There's still quite a bit of it left. So, I'm a bit unhappy that it didn't destroy the entire thing, but who cares? I think it looks really good. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've loved it. Hope you did too.